How to open a Forex trading account. What's the difference between an STP account and an ECN account when opening your first Forex trading account? If you don't know what that is, and if you don't know what STP means, ECN means, then I highly suggest you continue watching this video and I'll quickly show you how to open a Forex trading account. I've been trading since the year 14, so stay tuned because I've got a lot of information and a lot of knowledge to share with you.
Hi there, my name is Errol Muller, and once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you haven't done it yet, hit that subscribe button and turn on all notifications in order to get notified of every single future valuable video that I upload for you as the subscriber. Secondly, in the comments right now, before I show you how to open up a Forex trading account, in the comments, let me know what videos would you like to see more of. Please, it's very important. I need to know what it is that I can help you with. Okay, so in the comments right now, and if you do find some value out of this video, please share this video. Now, let's head over to it. Let me quickly show you, like I said, how to open up a Forex trading account. And then secondly, I also said that actually I'm going to start with what's the difference between an STP account and an ECN account. So I found a nifty little website, because me to explain it to you, I'm going to simplify it right now, and then you can also check out this website, admiralmarkets.com/education. You can literally just type in this entire URL, which will bring you to this page. Now, before we continue, a short little story about myself. I actually started Forex trading before the year 2015, 2014, around about there, and I've blown a lot of accounts. I've wasted a lot of money. I've done numerous investments. I do multiple sources of income, meaning Forex trading, affiliate marketing in general, cryptocurrencies, investments, a lot of things, and that's what I specialize in. I've walked a long and hard path to get to where I am today, and that is why I am sharing this with you, because I don't want you to go through all the same struggles. You will struggle from time to time, but I want to shorten that learning curve for you, so you don't have to take 7 years, 6 years, 8 years in order to succeed online. Now, if you'd like to know more about that, the very first link in the description below this video, click that link. It's multiple sources of income. It's a VIP subscriber list. Hit that subscribe button, and then I will get in contact with you. We will do live streams and a lot of things. I'm busy with some big things. I'm also busy with a hub for you, where I'm going to literally combine all of that knowledge and all of the sources in order for you to start creating your own multiple sources of income based on what I believe in, I trust in, and I recommend to you. Like I said, I want to shorten the learning curve for you. Okay, so literally, I'm not going to read this entire section of STP Forex Broker and an ECN Forex Broker. I literally just want to read the ECN Forex Broker section, because then I can quickly explain to you what's the difference between the two. So let's quickly read. There are a lot of similarities between an STP and an ECN Forex Broker, but the main real difference is routing. So let's read that again. The main real difference is routing. Remember that word, routing. As mentioned above, the STP can choose to deal with different liquidity providers out of their liquidity pool. So on an STP account, you can actually choose to deal with the different providers, while the ECN acts as a kind of a hub. The hub acts effectively as the major liquidity source, as it is represented by banks, hedge funds, and all the major market players. So the big difference between the two, with an STP you can choose, with an ECN, the ECN is like a hub, like a website, where the hedge funds and banks, everybody gets together, and at that point in time they provide the liquidity. That's the short version of it. Now, let's suggest, if you want to read more about it and go into detail about it, check out this website. I'm actually giving this guy free promotion right here, so hopefully if he sees this video in the future, he can get in contact with me and sponsor me, or buy some advertising space. So this is the broker that I'm using. I will put a link in the description. It will be the second link in the description below this video for you to click on and open your first Forex trading account. So me personally, I've been using FXopen, and I've been using an ECN account, an ECN broker. Okay, and I've been using them for years, like I said, 2014 onwards. that I've never changed brokers. I've always used FXopen. I'm happy with them. I can deposit my money. I can withdraw my money. I've withdrawn my money numerous times. The security checks are quite high, which is a good thing, because then you know nobody can steal your money or log into your account. So let me show you. Let's go in. Let me show you how you can download your account. So at the bottom here, you can click on ECN or STP. By the time you're watching this video, it might have changed. Click there, and then it will bring up all the different types of accounts: micro account, STP account, ECN account. Now, if you look at the two, there's a big difference between the two. Something that I have to point out for you is ECN account allows MT4, MT5, and tick trader. Now, I prefer the MetaTrader 4 platform. I've not accustomed myself to the MT5 platform. It stands for MetaTrader 5. That is the trading platform. This is just the broker. I've got an ECN account. Then again, deposit minimum is 100 USD, and the minimum transaction size is 0.01 lots. As with an STP account, it's a minimum of 10 USD deposit and 0.01 lot size as well for minimum transaction size, meaning per trade, the lowest you can start with is 0.01 lots, 0.01 lot size, right here as well. Now, then again, what in the world do you do with a $10 account? Honestly speaking, you need a stop loss, you need some liquidity, you need to set up your leverage. I use a 1 to 200 leverage, so there's a lot of things that goes into it. So let me quickly show you. Let's do an installation process, and then I'm going to show you how the platform actually opens up. So you want to click on Open ECN Account once you've opened your trading account by clicking the second link in the description below this video. You see, I do not want to log in. Okay, let's do this. I'm quickly going to log in. Oh, no. Wait. Before we do that, I want to see trading accounts. Let's go to ECN. It usually brings up, that's what I wanted. Then it brings up the, it's going to request for me to open a physical account. I do not want to open an account. Let's quickly do this. I just want to see what it's going to do. Okay, so I'm going to log in. I want to take you through the entire installation process. So for you guys who does not have an account, you will click the second link in the description. Then you will head over to Not Our Client Yet, register now. Then you will register. gmail.com. I just want to log in quickly, and then hopefully once I've logged in, it will take me automatically to open up the account or to download the platform, because usually when you select the type of account you want, then you head over, then it allows you to download your to download. So these are my two wallets in both. That's the commissioner wallet, that's the normal wallet. All of these funds are literally in the accounts below where my arrow is. I've got numerous forex trading accounts, numerous forex robots that are running for me, and I'll get to all of that. If you want to see more of that, and if you want to know what forex trading robots it is that I'm using, leave me a comment in the description below this video right now. So let's quickly see. I haven't done this in quite a while, because like I said, okay, so there we go. ECN MT5 platform. Just give it 1 second. There we go. And then I agree. So I'm gonna black out this section on the left hand side just so you guys don't see all my personal trading information. Then I'm going to click this I agree, then the next button, account currency. You will then select, I selected USD. The leverage that I selected was 1 to 200, and then agent is optional, but if you want to select an agent, you can literally just use this entire code right here, that XX all the way. You can click that and you can just pop it in the agent, then you will click next. Okay, agent, okay, let's just remove that, you don't need to do that. Then we can click next. Okay, so in my case, okay, so we literally just open up a new account. As you can see, ECN MetaTrader 5, that is the account, and then it gives up, and then it brings up all these login details, of which I'm not going to use this account to log in. I'm also blacking out the section, but as you can see, it says congratulations, your new trading account has been opened. Now I want to see something quickly, because what I do want to provide you guys with is the actual platform. I want to show you where you can access the physical platform. I want to download the MetaTrader platform for you, because we've literally just opened up an account. There we go. So that is what I wanted. So after you've opened the account, you can just head back, and then it says here to start trading, download MetaTrader 4. Then you will click on MetaTrader 4. There we go, download MT4. So it says here open ECN account, open a demo account, download open STP account. So we literally just opened an ECN account, which is this one right here. Then we will download MT4 for Windows. And then on your email, so the details that I've literally just, so when we open up the account, you guys remember there was a login section with the login details and the password and everything. So when you open up your MT4 platform, MT4 login screen, I want to show you exactly, because for some reason it does not want to open up the download file. So this is what I'm talking about. So you remember when we opened up this account, it literally gave you these details: the login, the password, and the server. So we opened up a real account, a live account. It was not a demo account. You will then take the details for this account we literally just opened. Then you will enter the login, the password, and then you will select live. Always make sure on that section you select live instead of demo. Then you will save account information and you will log in. Once you've logged in, it will open up the MetaTrader 4 platform. So let me quickly, I don't want to open up my Forex account now, because all my Forex account details and everything is on my Forex platform, or platforms. I've got numerous platforms. I'll show you what it's going to look like as soon as you open it up. That is what it's going to look like. As soon as you've logged in, it will bring up a screen that looks very similar to this, with 4 divided screens. I think it's AUD USD, Euro USD, GBP USD, and something else. That will be the 4 screens, and then you can actually open them up and close them down. So that is how you open up a Forex trading account. So if you always wanted to know how to open a Forex trading account, now you know how to do it. Sorry for this video, it was a little bit of a back and forth. I do apologize for that, because I did not expect it, and I honestly should have done a little bit of preparation before I wanted to actually, because I wanted to download the installation file, open it up for you, show you what you do with the details for this account that I just opened, although I'm going to close it again. Or by just not trading with it, it will automatically close. So once again, I really do appreciate you. Thank you for watching this video. Do hit that subscribe, comment below this video, share this video if you found some value out of this video, and then I will definitely see you in my next video. Remember to let me know what type of content it is that you want. May you have a blessed day. Subscribe to all the links in the description below this video, and turn on all notifications. I will see you in the next video.